Hello, my dear students. Happy morning, everyone. How are you all? How are you all? I hope you are all very fine. Okay, I am good. Thank you, dears. What about your parents? Okay, nice. Did you eat breakfast, yeah? Did you eat breakfast? I hope you eat breakfast. Okay, where did you eat breakfast? Where did you eat breakfast? You ate breakfast in your home. Very good. When did you eat breakfast? You ate breakfast in the morning. Very good. How did you eat breakfast? You ate very well. Okay, very good. Who will speak in English? Who will speak in English? I know. You will speak in English. Okay, good. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework, dear? I hope you finished your homework very well. Well, okay, good. Now we are going to learn about a little princess. Okay. It's very interesting story, my dears. The name of the story is The Princess and the Moon. Do you like moon? I know you like very much moon. Okay, let's know about the princess and the moon. It's very interesting story. My dear students, all of you listen carefully. Okay, dears? We have 8 characters in the story. Now let's learn about characters. First character is a little princess. She is daughter of king. And second character is the king. Third character is court doctor. Fourth character is court magician. Fifth character is court jester. And sixth character is goldsmith. And then we have 2 soldiers also. Okay, dears? Do you understand all characters? Okay, now let's see stories. Once upon a time, there was a little princess who fell sick. The king, a little princess' father, was sad because she didn't run about and play. She lay in bed all day. The king went to the princess and asked her, "What will make you well, my dear?" The king said like that. The princess looked at the king and said, "Get me the moon. The moon will make me well again, my dear." Dad said like that. The king called the court doctor. "My daughter is sick." He said she will get well only if she can have the moon. She will get well. The court doctor asked like that. The moon is made of copper and it's a 1,000 million away. How can I get the moon? King said like that. The king became very angry because his daughter health not well. So the king very angry and he called 2 soldiers and told them to take away the court doctor. He said like this. The king then called again. He called the court magician. He said also, "My daughter is sick. She wants the moon. Only the moon will make her well." The king said like this. And then the magician answered like this. "The moon is made of France and it's 1,000,000 miles away. How can I get the moon?" He also says same things. And the court doctor and then the court magician are saying same things. So the king became very angry. Again, he called two soldiers and told them to take away the court magician. Like this, the king was very sad, my dears, because the princess is not well, very well. So the king was very, very sad. No one could bring him the moon. How would his daughter get well? This is only his problem. So he is very sad. And the next day, the court jester saw the king with tears in his eyes. At that time, king is crying. And what is matter, your majesty? Asked the jester like this. The princess is not well. She will get well only if she can have the moon, said the king like this. The court doctor says, and then the magician are said like this, we can't get the moon because the moon is made of copper and is 1,000 miles away. Suddenly, the jester went to meet little princess and he asked some questions to the princess. And first one question is, what is moon made of? My dear princess said like this, gold of horse, can't you see that it is yellow and made of gold? The princess said like this. And second one question, jester asked to princess, how far away is the moon? The princess answered, as far away as the top of the tree in my garden. She thought about the moon is gold, of course. It is a yellow and made of gold. And then as far away as the top of the tree in her garden. She thought like this. In our childhood days also, we think about like this, moon is near from us. We also think about like this. And the princess also very small child, that. So she thought like this same way, moon is near from us. Do you understand, dear? Do you understand this story? It's very, very interesting, dear. Okay. Let's learn carefully, okay? At the time, the court jester said to the princess, tomorrow I will go to the top of tree and get you the moon, like that. The jester said like this, he will go to the top of tree and then get moon. He said like this. This is impossible, you know that. Do you understand, dear? How can we get moon? It's impossible. But he said like this. After he went to the goldsmith. Who is the goldsmith, dear? Do you know that? A person who makes good articles, he is called goldsmith. Okay, dears? Right. And he asked him to make a golden moon as big as the princess' thumbnail. And then he want to prepare princess thumbnail size. Okay, dear? And then he put it on a chain. And the next day, it's very, very interesting, dear. All of you listen carefully, okay? And the next day, he had the princess a little golden moon. Here is your moon, princess, he said like that. And I have a little golden moon. Let's see, my dear princess. The jester said like this. The princess became very happy and clapped her hands with joy. And the princess became very happy face and clapped her hands with joy like this. The king was still worried because she will see the moon today night and know that she has not got the moon. This is not a original moon. You know very well, dear. We know very well. We can't get from there. So, he prepared one like that moon chain. This is not an original moon. We know very well about that. But the princess became very, very happy and clapped her hands with joy. At that night, the princess saw the round golden moon in the sky, just above the tree near her balcony. You know very well balcony, and she is looking at the moon. And then the jester asked with sadly to the little princess, "How can you have the moon with you when it is still up there in the sky?" The jester asked to the little princess. The little princess answered with laughed happily and clapped her hands because she got moon chain. So he is very happy feel. And the princess said like this, "You are very silly, jester. And then why you took away the moon and new moon has grown in its place?" The little princess said with a happily like this, When my teeth falls out, a new one grows in its place." We know very well our teeth grows again and again. You know that? We know very well. She also said like this, "My teeth falls out, a new one grows in its place." And then, when we pluck flowers, do you know flower, dear? Rose, jasmine, like that. Okay, we pluck a flower, a new flower grows in its place. Like this, she compared with teeth and then flower. And like this, look at the new moon in the sky. Do you understand, dear? The princess was very, very cute, very small child, you know that. So he said like this, very childish. She compared with teeth and then flowers. It's very, very interesting, you know that. The princess said like this, "You are very silly, jester. When my teeth falls out, a new one grows in its place like that. Look at the new moon in the sky." "I am very happy now," the princess said like this. The jester and the king are very happy, and they knew well that the princess was never again to fall sick again. So they are very happy. And finally, the little princess got a gold moon, and then jester and the king are very happy. Okay, dear, do you understand the story? Do you understand or not? I hope you understand very well. Okay, let's recall the story. Okay, dears? Once upon a time, the princess fell sick. The king was very sad. The princess told him that she wanted to get the moon. She likes very much the moon, so he wants to get the moon. So the king called a court doctor and he asked the court doctor to get the moon for his daughter. But the doctor told him that the moon was far away and it was not possible to get the moon. And the doctor said like this. And then the king called the court magician. He also told the same things. Court doctor and court magician are said same things like that. The king became angry and drove him away out of the court. After a few days, the court jester came to the king. And then he will give some solution for his problems. So I will get the moon for the princess. He asked her what kind of moon she wanted and how big. The jester asked like to the princess. The princess told him that she wanted to golden moon, just thumb finger size. The little princess answered to the jester. It's very interesting story, you know that, dear. Are you enjoying? I hope you are all enjoying now. Okay. And then the jester went to the goldsmith. Already I told you what is mean by goldsmith. Who is a goldsmith? A person who makes gold articles. He is called goldsmith. And the jester asked him to make a golden moon as because the princess thumb. And he prepared gold moon chain. The goldsmith prepared gold moon chain for the little princess because a little princess want to get the moon. So just think about like this. Okay, yeah? And then just said to the princess, here is your lovely moon, princess. He said like this. At the time, the princess was very happy to see the golden moon. So both are very happy at that moment. Okay, my dear students, do you understand? I hope you understand very well. I think you have enjoyed it very much. Okay, dear, I have to give homework. Okay? Write it down. You have to write very clearly. Okay, dear? Okay. You should write the main characters, a little princess and then jester. You should write 5 lines. Okay? We will meet next class. Bye-bye. You should write homework. Okay? Don't forget to write your homework. Okay, my dear students? Be safe. Bye-bye.